What's up YouTube, this is Sherry and in today's episode I'm going to share with you 9 hacks for YouTube Shorts that are gonna allow you to optimize your videos and scale your channel so much faster you're not gonna want to miss a single one of these. So let's get into it. The first hack for YouTube Shorts that you need to know is that you can now create shorts from your longer videos. It is now easier than ever to repurpose your content. To do this, open the YouTube app on your phone and click on your profile photo in the upper right corner. Then select any of your videos and click the create button. You will be given the option to edit into a short film. This feature is only available to you so others cannot use your videos. Choose if you want the clip to be 60 seconds or 15 seconds and move it to the desired position on the screen. Hit next and you're ready to upload your short. Or you can use your editing software to optimize your long videos into your multiple short videos and then upload them directly from your desktop using YouTube Studio. Remember, if you're using this feature, make sure to film your longer horizontal YouTube videos a little further back from the camera as you will have to crop it vertically. The second YouTube short hack you may not know about is optimizing your shorts on your desktop. You can upload your shorts on your mobile app or on the desktop. I personally upload my shorts from my desktop. On a computer you can add a bunch more stuff that you cannot do on your phone. Let me show you how to optimize your shorts. Head to my channel and click manage videos or go to YouTube Studio and make sure you're in the content. Then I will find my video that I uploaded and click the details pencil. Once in there you can add a description. Think of the actual search terms that people would use that would relate to the video and write them in. Then add your opt-in and how people can stay in touch with you. Many people forget this, so click the show more button if you don't see anything down below. This will allow you to add tags. I highly recommend doing this to optimize your videos. Again, think of what are the actual search terms someone might type in that would relate to this YouTube short. Now, did you know that you can put in 3 hashtags into your description? When you add these hashtags and you go onto the mobile app, you will see that they are clickable. When you click on them, it takes you to other videos that also use the hashtag, so people can look at more content related to that topic. However, this is a super underutilized feature as not many creators know that they can do this. The fourth YouTube short hack that you may not know to help you level up is adding captions to your shorts and repurposing. How do those go together? Well, YouTube Shorts with caption can help you with your retention time. So I recommend adding captions to your talking head videos like where you're talking to the camera and sharing tips. But YouTube Shorts doesn't have an option where you can automatically add in captions. You might know that Instagram Reels does have that feature. So what many creators are doing is that they're going to Instagram Reels, they're adding the captions and then they are saving that video onto their phone and then using it for YouTube Shorts. But I honestly recommend just filming all of your videos on your phone, not within a social media app. And then if you have an iPhone, you can add captions through an app called Captions. With these apps, you can add emojis and customize things a lot. This way you can create one video and edit it within InShot. Then after that, go into captions and then add the captions as the last thing. From there, you have a video that you can easily post on Shorts, TikTok and Reels. Now the fifth YouTube short hack that you need to know is that you can schedule out your shorts. Yes, so let's say that you already have a bunch of content created that you are repurposing. You can just pick the date and time for those videos to go out. This for me honestly makes content creation just so much easier, especially when planning out content ahead of time. I can just schedule out when it's going to come out. I spend one day of the week doing it and don't have to come back to it every single day. In order to schedule out your YouTube shorts, you will head to your YouTube Studio and click on your content. You can pick the date and time. Now YouTube says that it doesn't actually matter when videos go live in terms of how many views it gets, but I recommend going into your analytics and seeing when your audience is most active on YouTube. Go into your analytics tool, it will actually recommend a time for you to put out your videos. What I most recommend is seeing when your followers are most active and then posting about an hour before that. That way when they get on the YouTube, your videos are there for them. The sixth YouTube short hack that you need to know is using emojis and titles. Those with emojis can increase click-through rates and get more views. Titles that perform well create a sense of FOMO. To intrigue people, maybe I will use the exploding head emojis to show that there is an amazing tip. Titles of YouTube shorts should include long tail keywords that your ideal viewer would type in to find the short. This can help the short rank in YouTube search engine and Google. This strategy also applies to shorts that answer common questions. For shorts that are more entertaining, create titles that create curiosity and FOMO. For example, if you're doing a reaction video of a viral TikTok product, the title could be I bought this TikTok product everyone is talking about and then the exploding head emoji. This creates curiosity of what the product is and if it's worth it. The seventh YouTube short hack that you may not have heard of is going to help you grow your channel quickly, and that is reading your YouTube analytics. To read analytics, go to your desktop, open YouTube Studio and click on analytics. Scroll down to view different videos and click on the individual YouTube short you posted. You will be able to see key moments for audience retention. However, the reach is what I am most interested in. This will tell me where the short has been seen. Scroll down even further to see YouTube search terms. These are the terms people typed in to find your short. If one has performed particularly well, create more shorts using these terms to create bingeable content that will keep people on your channel longer. As a tip, link other videos of the series in the description or comments. Now for the analytics, the 8th YouTube short hack is to analyze your overall analytics for your shorts. Go into YouTube Studio and click on content. You will be able to see all of your channel analytics just for the shorts. It's great to see how viewers find your shorts overall. For me, almost 60% comes from the shorts feeds, 27% from the YouTube search, which is good. So I need my shorts to stay in the search engine. It is important to me. You can also look at your top short to see what's working and what's not. You can also check your impressions click-through rate. That's when someone views the title and image of a video and how often they click. This will help you identify what's working in the title and what you can replicate in other videos. I usually look at my analytics for the last 28 days, but you can always look at the last 90 days, the last year, or create a custom period. The last YouTube short hack that you need to know is that you can use YouTube's audio library as a background music for your talking head videos. This works great for videos where you're directly talking to the camera, sharing tips, and not trending videos. Depending on the tone of the video, you can select music that is serious, upbeat, or something else entirely. Just remember that you can't use copyrighted music for more than 15 seconds without receiving a copyright claim on your YouTube shorts. To add the music, go into your YouTube's audio library, save a song, and then import into After Effects or Premiere Pro. Finally, export the video. Okay, you're now ready to apply these 9 YouTube short hacks to optimize and grow your channel quickly. Let me know which hack surprised you the most. If this video helped you, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.